Today, I'll show you how to manage team permissions in HubSpot. Managing permissions is crucial for maintaining the security and organization of your content, especially when working with a large team. Whether you're overseeing a marketing campaign or handling customer relations, ensuring that the right people have access to the right tools can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. So let's dive in and explore how you can effectively manage team permissions in HubSpot. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the specific tool whose access you'd like to manage. For this guide, let's use the marketing tool as an example, specifically focusing on email. If you're managing a different tool, don't worry, the process will be quite similar across the board. So go ahead and log into your HubSpot account, and from the main dashboard, head over to the marketing section. Here, you'll find the email tool. Now, once you're in the email section, you'll likely see a list of emails or folders that you've created. Hover your cursor over the email or folder for which you wish to modify access permissions. As you do this, you'll notice a few additional options appearing on the screen. What you're looking for is the More option. This is typically represented by three dots, often known as an ellipsis. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Access. At this point, you'll be presented with a set of options regarding who can access this particular email or folder. To limit access to a specific group within your organization, you'll want to choose the Selected Teams option. This is an important step as it allows you to restrict access to only those teams that require it, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure and that your team members can focus on the tasks that matter most to them. Once you've selected teams, a list of your available teams will appear. Carefully review this list and pick the team that should have exclusive access to the content you're managing. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct team to avoid any disruptions in your workflow or any unintended access issues. By following these steps, you ensure that only the designated team members have access to the specific tools and content they need, providing a more organized and secure environment for your team's operations. This not only helps in maintaining control over your content, but also aids in effective team collaboration by clarifying roles and responsibilities. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to managing team permissions in HubSpot. By taking these steps, you contribute to a more secure and efficient work environment. Remember, effective permission management is key to successful teamwork and project management. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more of our tutorials to optimize your HubSpot experience. Thanks for watching and happy managing.